Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Real quick video today. I've been working on my CNC, which is over there. So that is my new 3018 whatever, CNC. So I have been doing experiments with cutting trace. This was bad. Origin was set wrong, but anyway, this is my first attempt at cutting a jumper board for the Tiger learning computer. So this is the bare chip. So what it's going to be is I'm going to make this a little bit longer, but I'm going to cut this, the jumper board that goes here, and probably extend all the way out to here, and allow me to plug the cartridge in on the end over here, and then plug this into the Tiger learning computer. And yeah, if you look though, the traces are actually just the right size. So I just have to figure out how to hold down my work properly, and then I will cut a nice brand new board. So get working on that learning computer again now that my work stuff is stabilized a bit. And then on top of that, I'm going to be working on a from scratch Atari 5200 controller. I'm starting to get the parts in for that, so once I get some progress in the Tiger learning computer, in parallel I'm going to be working on that 5200 controller. I want to do like a from scratch solution. So I already ordered the enclosures. I need to design the PC board. I got to cut it on my CNC, so you see a video probably in a few weeks on that one. So that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.